Hey guys, what's going on? Electric Bike Review greatly values transparency, and it should be no surprise that I was hired by this company to do a factory tour. Now this contributes both content and funding to EBR to cover expenses like hosting the sites and forum and travel. Now naturally, a factory tour can't be an in-depth review or an endorsement of a company or a product, but it does help bridge the gap between the rider and the manufacturer, something that I'm very excited to be a part of. Now I've done as little editing as possible to allow the facilities to speak for itself. Thanks for watching.
Hey, what's going on guys? I am here in beautiful Suzhou, not too far away from Shanghai in China, visiting Shengyi Motor Company. They've made hub drives for quite a long time, but they're actually doing some mid-drive models as well. I'm here with my man Daniel. So Daniel, tell me all about it.
Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome to Shengyi. Shengyi is a professional e-bike manufacturer in Suzhou, and we founded in 2003, and it has been 15 years. So we, after 15 years efforts, we get a good reputation from end markets. So the end comments from end market is very good, is pretty good. So today it's my great honor to introduce our company, and our company's product is Shengyi Motor and Hub Motor together. So okay, let me have a short review.
Yes, please.
Company. Okay.
So that's a long time. You've been in business for 15 years now.
Yes, 15 years. Yes.
Wow.
Yeah, pretty good.
That's a long time, especially for e-bikes.
Yes. So this is the reception of our company. Actually, we have two factories in Suzhou. This is our new factory. Is specialized in the Shengyi Motor production. Yes. Firstly, let's go to our samples room for showing. Okay.
Okay. Ni hao.
So you can see, actually, our company doesn't produce the complete e-bike. We only produce the Shengyi Motor of the complete e-bike. This is our first generation Shengyi Motor. It has been in market more than 5 years old. So
wow.
Yeah, 5 years old. So because frankly speaking, we have when we do products, we have some problems. We can't make things perfectly, but we modify all the time and updating all the time. So at this moment, our first generation motor is very mature and very high performance and very stable quality. Yes. All this bike is different kinds of bike, the city bike, the mountain bike together for this Shengyi motor. Yes. Okay, let's have a short review of this one. This is the main products. It's for this is for normally for the sharing bike. This is for momentum bike. This is a very special branch of the Giant. You know, Shengyi is a unique supplier of Giant in China. So you know, Giant is a very big brand and a very famous brand. So yes, we are unique of their suppliers.
Awesome.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. Okay. This is very special. Scooter for scooter motor in America for the US market. Their company name is Future Motion. It's very famous in America as well. So this is fat bike motor, normally for Canada market. This Hub motor is for the normal city bike, touring bike, mountain bike is also okay. So okay, this motor is the long bike sharing motor. We are starting with a long bike in America at this moment, and this is our third generation Shengyi motor. It's pretty good. It's compared to our first generation, the appearance we redesigned. Everything is new and it's more lighter. So every looking appearance is very good, pretty good. Okay.
Great.
Okay, let's go.
So where are we going next?
For the next room, we will go into the showing room as well for the complete e-bike mounted with rear motor. Hello guys, this is the mountain bike for the complete e-bike with the Shengyi motor, and this is for mountain bike. That is for city bike for the lady. So all the bike is mounted with our first generation motor. You know, this first generation Shengyi motor is a very big quantity. It's last year in 2017 we sales more than 40,000 pieces every year. Okay. Please, Mike. Yeah. Okay. Oh, this is our laboratory This is our laboratory room, and you can see this machine we always running all the time, 24 hours per day. So this machine is testing the crank, testing the broken bracket together. So we need to test it. It's enough to hard. When the people run it, everything is working perfect. Yeah. This machine, you could see that we mounted with torque sensor, and we tested the performance of torque sensor. Okay, this is the dynamometer of the complete e-bike motor. Yeah, this one. Yes. Okay, you can read this screen and every parameters of this. Yeah, this is the same. It's the same. Yes. Okay, let's go to the room.
Thank you. Amazing.
So here is our production line, assembly line. So from our motor inside the motor is wire riding by ourselves by auto machine. Here, so our auto machine room is downstairs. Now is our assembly line. Everything is ready. We will start assembly by ourselves. Here, you can see this production line. Okay, you see? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this we are assembling now, right at this moment. So everything before we assembling, we will check quality checking every raw material of different parts. Yes, you can see they are mounted the cover, the bearing, and the cable testing. This is also the final testing. At this machine we tested at this moment the motor is ready for packaging now. But before packaging we will do complete testing before packaging. Here until now everything our complete e-bike motor production line is finished. So other details we will talk later. Yeah.
Great.
Okay.
But I did happen to come across a very interesting motor that they have on a bike over here. So Daniel, tell me about it. It looks like a bottom bracket conversion motor. Is that right?
Yes, yes. So this motor is a bottom conversion motor.
Very interesting. And it's yours, obviously.
Yes, it's our logo. Yes, yes. So this motor is actually our quite new design, because this motor is actually from a technical point of view is not new. It's a very mature product at the market, but we see a lot of this kind of motor in the market, and their design and looking at bearings is not as our expectation. So we redesigned it by ourselves. So you can see, you can look, and this design is very slim and very small. So now you look at this motor, it's quite beautiful and very light, very small, and very easy to disable and assemble.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks pretty cool. So it's a bottom bracket conversion that will fit on what size? Do you know what size it will fit in for the bottom bracket?
For the normal bike. Okay, yes, every size is okay. Yes, that means if one customer buy the regular bicycle from the shop, they can build up over this motor into his own bike. So they will change to e-bike. So,
awesome.
Yes.
So what's the Newton meters of this?
The maximum Newton meter is 60 Newton meter. Yes.
60.
Yeah,
okay.
Yes.
Is it a cadence sensor or torque sensor?
The cadence sensor. Yes.
Okay. For this conversion, it's cadence, but
yes.
all the ones up there.
Yes, torque sensor.
Torque sensor.
Yes.
Okay. Great. And are you going to bring this out to the American market?
Yes, sure. We are going to. Yes.
Oh, okay. Do you have a time frame?
We are planning to advertise in market, actually in US market. I mean, in 1 year we will for mass production for US market.
Oh, great.
Yes.
What's the wattage of this one?
350.
351.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So in about a year from now, after, because I didn't see any others. This looks like the only one that I saw.
Yes. Not only this, but in the future, in the next 2 years, we were planning to launch a very high performance 5 voltage, more than 500 wattage to the US market, because US people always like big and powerful. Yes. So we need to.
You are correct. Yeah.
Yes, correct. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So this one is kind of like maybe not a prototype, but a first production run before the larger American one.
Yes, you are right. Yes.
Wow, interesting. So we got the inside scoop here.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Here is the wire winding rope. You see, people can look in the screen now, right now. 哦，加 actors.
Yes.
Okay, this assembly line is the same as the new factories.
Okay.
You see, compared to the older, the new factory is a little bit older. Right?
Yeah.
But it has been 15 years here.
Yeah.
So this motor is for giant.
It's for giant.
Giant, yes.
Thank you very much, Daniel, for showing me around.
Thank you as well.
Very much appreciate it. So Shengyi Motors, if you haven't heard of the company, that's fine. They don't have as much of a brand presence in America as of yet, but you guys make motors for like a scooter company for Fushimushi.
Yeah, Fushimushi, yes.
And they're a pretty big brand.
Yeah, very big. It's 1,000 voltage.
Okay. But for bicycles, they are still starting in America. They have them on a brand called Kent.
Kent, yes.
And also the bike share bicycles, Lime,
yes.
like the food, Lime.
Yes.
So if you ride one of those bikes, if you're in a city that has one of those, then the bicycles, that is, take them for a spin, see what you think. So far, I enjoyed the bikes that I've been riding with the Shengyi Motors, and I very much appreciate seeing the factory. Thanks again.
So thank you very much.
Yeah, yes. And your website is what?
Yeah, website is www.symotor.com.
symotor.com.
Yes.
Okay, great.
Yes.
Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you on the forums, and see you later.
Yeah, thank you very much. Bye-bye.